Hey everybody, it's Tom Abbott from MyMidtownMojo.com. I'm actually on the street here in front of our office in Midtown, and I wanted you to check out and see these really cool new electric scooters that they have here in Midtown now. They're through a company called Muving, M-U-V-I-N-G, USA.com. There's an app you can actually sign up for, and I actually have a promo code for you if you want to put send me a private message or just comment in the comments below, and I will private message you that promo code for some free time. And actually, if you sign up and use another promo code, I'll have to check if you can use both. I can get some free time out of it, but just wanted to show you this really cool new way kind of get around. It's like, if you remember, zip cars, except it's a scooter. So a really cool way to get around here in Midtown, and I just wanted to let you all know about it. They're located, there's about 100 of them throughout the Midtown area. They'll go for about 45 minutes on a charge, and they cost about 35 cents a minute to use. But think about it, if you didn't want to get your car out or didn't have a car to use, just hop in your car, take a quick trip down the street, and you'd be able to to be 15-20 minutes, whatever, and be back where you need to be. And then you could park them anywhere that there is a bike rack. So if you see this one right here is actually at a bike rack right there, and that's where you can put them anytime you want to park them within the Midtown area. They have a boundary of how far you can go and where you can park them. Now you could ride it to Buckhead if you wanted to, but you'd have to bring it back to Midtown to actually park it. So just wanted to share that all with you, and we'll see you all soon. Take care.